Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna show you guys a natural type of makeup look that I kind of do like every day. So if you want to see that, just stick tuned. I rarely wear makeup because I like to let my skin breathe, but when I do, this is usually what I go for, more of a natural look. I don't really wear too much heavy makeup, only for like crazy events and such. But yeah, you see me put on hand sanitizer because I'm kind of a germaphobe. But yeah, now I'm taking this Nars. I honestly forget what it is, but everything that I've used in the video will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. But it's a BB cream. So it's really lightweight and it's really moisturizing. So I'm just putting that all on my Real Techniques brush, and I'm just gonna put that all over my face. I don't really like wearing foundation because it's too heavy, so I don't really do that too much. But this BB cream is nice and moisturizing, and it's lightweight, and it looks nice throughout the day. So that's what I usually go for typically. And as you can see, me blending it in real time. It doesn't take too long for sure, but yeah, this Real Technique brush, I've been using it for a while, so I kind of like that. And don't mind my hair, I had just gotten out of the shower, so yeah. Let's see what I'm gonna do next here. I really, it depends. These steps don't go in any particular order. I just do what I feel like doing at any point of my makeup routine. But now you're gonna see me taking some Mary Kay brow gel and putting them throughout my brows and really like situating them and fixing them how I like them to look. As you can see, I have very, very, very thick eyebrows already. And for my everyday natural makeup look, I don't really fill them in. So I just put gel over them. But here, you see me redefining my natural moles. So I'm not adding any on, but I'm just redefining the moles that I already have there. Because when I put on the BB cream, it kind of gets lost within the product. But yeah, you know what I mean. Next, okay, we already know what this is, because if you don't know what this is, then sis, where have you been? We're gonna put on some Fenty matchstick and Expresso because I'm chocolate. And I'm again using a Real Technique sponge, not sponge, brush. And I spread it all over the brush first, and then I just go around the perimeter of my face to give me, you know, a more of a sun-kissed appearance. You know what I mean? Anyways, like summer's coming up, it's starting to get hot outside. I'm not trying to go outside with like a full beat on because I'm gonna be sweating. So I'm not trying to be out here in a full beat. So, but yeah, I just go around the perimeter of my face to give me some more definition. Yeah, I don't really use too much, but I do really like the color of this matchstick. I gotta buy some more because I'm in love. I'm in love. I am. I really am. Let's see what we're gonna do next here. You see my little baby curl in the back of my head. Next thing we're gonna use is this Becca highlighting glow type of cream, liquidy type products. I don't know what you would call it, but that sort of thing. And I'm taking a Real Techniques brush again, and I'm just going to put that all over the high points of my face. And I'm using this cream because like I feel like it just blends into my skin really good. Better than if I were to use a powder. So I'm just blending it out with my finger to make it look more natural, you know? Something slight. You know what I mean? Something slight. By the way, if you didn't already know, I'm about to let you know, fill you in on the tea, sis. I finished my first year of college. I will be a sophomore next year. I'm with the gang, I'm with the mob. So that means that I will be coming out with more videos. You'll see more of my friends in college. It will definitely be more filming. So I suggest that you stick around, subscribe, you know, do all of that good stuff. If you want to follow me on social media, you already know where it will be in the description box below, so you already know what to do. But yeah, that's what. Oop, that was my phone. Right there, you just see me putting on NYX Butter Lip Gloss. Because, sis, that lip gloss gives me life. It matches, well, it goes so good with my skin tone. And yes, sis, because, yes. And then, I'm using another lip gloss that's from, typically you can get it at Bath and Body Works, but sometimes they don't have it, so I had to order it online. Sorry, I'm kind of like distracted. But I'm using this Loreal mascara. As of right now, I don't really have a favorite mascara. I don't really care what mascara I use. Choose if it's any mascara. You know, just pop it on there, put it on your eyeballs. You know what I'm saying? Look at my face, because that's so cute. I think I have like huge eyes. Super big. Look at that definition. That woke me up. Like, yes, sis. Wake me up, wake me up. Wake me up. And just put it on the other eye. My face is really killing me, yo. It looks so bad. But yeah, like I was saying, stay tuned because there's going to be more videos to come. I have a lot in store that I want to show you guys, so stay tuned and get with the program because, yes, you already know. And that is literally my final look. That is legit all that I do. You guys already know. So, I'll see you guys later, and I love you. Bye!